Here we go. Ice skater, arms, prepare, step, step. Now pizza cat. I can't believe I'm calling it that. Alrighty, folks, in this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite and probably the turn I use the most often in belly dance, the three-step turn. And we're also going to investigate two different arm options for this incredibly useful turn. So let's go ahead and do it. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. Hey there, fabulous dancer, and welcome back to my channel. Or if this is the first time that you've joined me, thank you so much for being here. I cannot wait to share the dance floor with you today. If you enjoy these kinds of free belly dance and finger cymbal tutorials, be sure that you press like and subscribe to my channel so that I can send you brand new belly dance content every single week. The three-step turn is exactly what it sounds like. It's a turn that takes 3 steps to complete. It's going to travel us laterally. For now, we'll travel parallel to the wall or parallel to the mirror. And it's literally going to take us front and back and front as we turn around. So let's think about this. If we're going to go to the right, we're going to prepare the right foot. So elongating that right leg, preparing the right foot, thinking about the front of the foot like where your shoelaces would be if you were wearing shoes, right, to the mirror. And we are literally going to step on the right foot, then we're going to step on the left foot, which should bring you approximately to facing the back of the room. And then we're going to continue turning that same direction and step on the right foot. You're going to aim to step mostly on a line. If you imagine a line going across your floor, you're going to think about all 3 steps basically occurring on that line. So once again, if we're going to go the other way, prepping that left leg nice and long, showing the front of the foot to the front of the room, and you're thinking you're going to step on it, flip to the back, and then back to the front. Now, when going very slowly, we're mostly staying flat-footed for balance sake. When you take this turn up to speed, be it medium or fast, you're going to end up coming up on the toe a bit. So I feel like this turn has a little bit of spin in it. In my mind, the difference between a spin and a turn, like a spin involves a moment where your foot is literally spinning, swiveling on the floor, right? There's going to be a tiny little bit of this, I find. I almost always lift my heel just ever so slightly to get around in this turn. I rarely do it completely flat-footed because it becomes more challenging. If I wanted to step flat, step flat, step flat, you can, but at a certain point, your foot gets a little stuck, right? And so because we want knees and toes always in the same direction for knee safety, there's going to be a little moment of spin, right? So you can see here, as I go, there's a moment there, especially on that right foot, and going on the other side, more on the left foot, a little bit of a spin there as you get that second step in your 3-step turn, right? So let's practice it nice and slow a couple of times before we talk about the arms. So, and then also remembering those tips that I gave you in the beginning, we're going to think about keeping the pelvis engaged, keeping ourselves a little bit more compact, nothing too big, nothing too flaily, making sure the chest isn't lifted too much, right? Keeping ourselves compact, because the more in alignment we are, the easier it will be to do this without falling over. And that's a good goal, right? So here we go. We're going to step on the left, on the right, on the left. And you're continually staying over the feet. Let's do it again. 7, 8, on the right, on the left, on the right. And again, left, right, left. And again, right, left, right. One more time. Left, right. My next favorite arms to do with this, and actually this might be my first favorite arms, the other one is just the one that gets used more often, it's more basic, will be this little bit of like a wrap of the arm up over the head. When I was first taught this, I think they called it kitten arms, because I've never owned a cat. Well, I have sort of a stray that I feed sometimes. And I think the idea was like the cat is like washing its head. I don't know, you kitten owners will have to tell me if that's how they do it. But the idea is the arm opens up like I'm serving something on a platter, comes behind the body a bit, circles around and up over the head. Opening up, serve the pizza, around over the head. Cats and pizza, yeah. Open up and around the head. That's when you're going to the right. When you're going to the left, open up, serve the pizza, come around behind the head. Yeah, again, open up, serve the pizza, come around behind the head. I love these arms. I think they just look so elegant and so dynamic. So let's go ahead and try that nice and slow. Going to the right, you're prepping your arms to the left again. Right arm's going to open up, serve the pizza, come around behind the head, and that left arm just sort of trails around, skimming the surface of the water, until we make it over here for that preparation. Yeah, now you're prepped here, chest is lifted, pelvis is tucked. Yeah, you're going to create that compactness. You're going to serve with the left hand, serve and around, prepare. Right side, right hand, and around, prepare, serve and around, prepare. Again, serve and around, prepare, serve and around, prepare. Yes? So those are two different arm ideas on this 3-step turn that I think are quite fun. So let's go ahead and practice them one more time. We'll do a set to the right and the left with our sort of ice skater ballet arms, and then we'll do a set to the right and the left with our pizza cat arms. I don't know. That's not what we're going to call it, pizza cat arms. And so we'll do that. And we'll do that back and forth just a little bit. And then later on, we'll put it all together with music into a little combination to help you practice those turns. Yeah. So here we go. We'll go a little bit faster. We'll go step, 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 prepare, and 5, 6. Here we go. Ice skater, arms, prepare, step, step. Now pizza cat. I can't believe I'm calling it that. Prepare, step, step. Let's do it again. First set of arms, prepare. One more time with our second set of arms, prepare and prepare. Hopefully you're not feeling dizzy because the turn went one direction and then it went the other direction. But if you ever do feel dizzy after doing a bunch of turns, stop and look at something set, right? Look at a picture on the wall, look at your hands. That will help. If you've done a lot of turns in one direction, if we were turning to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, stop and walk yourself around the other way to the left to help that inner ear fluid stop spinning to help you feel less dizzy. Oh my goodness, fabulous dancer. It was so much fun sharing the dance floor with you. If you've enjoyed this and you are looking to get a solid foundation for an amazing belly dance journey of your own, I invite you to join me for my free Belly Dance Jumpstart, a 7-day program delivered to your email inbox, and you can get started today. Join me now at sahirabellydances.com/jumpstart, and I look forward to dancing with you there.